So a very good evening to all of you present in the meeting today. And today I have chosen a new topic, that is diabetes reversals by Dr. J.V. Dikshit. The plan is diet plan is a new concept, that is twice eating a day diet plan. And we'll go to the details of this diet plan and know what is the principle behind this diet plan. এই डाइट प्लान रे मुख्य जिंस होची आपन को 2 टाइम्स ईटिंग पर डे 2 टाइम्स रे खाइबे एंड होल फूड प्लान बेस्ड डाइट दैट मींस at other times you got your body to help in cure and reverse your diabetes. Okay, so प्रथमे हमें जानिबा who is Dr. Jagannath Dikshit. JV Dikshit is he is an MD doctor, Department of Community Medicine and PGDHA, PGDHRM. You can see his degrees, and you can see so many things. What he told. He is a researcher. He have written F5 PSA, F5 PSA, and he has written around 4 books. The first one is our research book on which we read, that is Dikshit Books of Research, Biomedical Research book. Then also a book of diabetes reversals, which I have already. You can see this is one of the book of diabetes reversal, a new hope. And also he has written effortless weight management and so many articles. Now he is the professor and head Department of Community Medicine in Lathur Government Medical College, Lathur. Okay, and he is a teaching experience of more than 28 years, and he has done a commendable job of so many states following his research protocols, and so many peoples are following his effortless weight management program. And he has also joined work under WHO and UNICEF projects. And he's also inspired by Dr. Srikant Chikkar, who has initiated this effortless weight loss program, and so many people get benefited for this. So mu bhabili jehetu bahut loko ethre फायदा पाई परछन effortless, जो थरे कि आपन को बेसी पैसा खर्च करबा पड़िबनी, आपन को बेसी एफर्ट लगेबा को पड़िबनी, एवं you get the benefit. That's why it is benefit for the public, no wasting of so much of money also. तो आपण जानिबाटा एटा नितांत जरूरी बोली आज रो क्लास टा मु रखिली. So 2 meals a day by Professor Dr. J.V. Dikshit, Diabetes Fight, also published in so many newspapers, media, TNN News. And what he told is Professor Dr. J.V. Dikshit. You can see his clear picture. And also I have his personal contact number. मु तांको बहुत थर contact भी करथिले, तांकर जो डाइट प्लान विषय रे बहुत आमे चर्चा भी करथिलु, तांकर रिसर्च आर्टिकल ऊपर भी चर्चा करथिलु. And he has done a commendable job. Okay, and we should learn from him also. What is the link between, so ame seta janiba agaru au thre mo revise kor dochi, what is the link between obesity and diabetes, jemti ki ame already discussions करछे. Basically the type 2 diabetes hame discussions करू. Diabetes एवं obesity have emerged as the biggest health challenges in the India. अपन देखंतु एबे बिगेस्ट हेल्थ पैंडेमिक जो देखिबा कोरोना टू भी बॉडी की डायबिटीज एवं ओबेसिटी लीड्स टू डायबिटीज एंड दे आर कोरिलेटेड. ओके, सो कैलोरी इनटेक जो हमर होची थ्रू ईटिंग इन एक्सेस कंजम्पशन, दीज आर द हाइपर कैलोरिक डिसऑर्डर. That means if we are eating excessive food, that leads to stored as the fat in our body, and that leads to obesity and diabetes. Okay, तो कैलोरी इनटेक जदि एक्सेस कंजम्पशन हमें बेसी खाउछु, एवं that is even refined carbohydrate, sugar, refined food, refined fat, that really leads to your obesity. Because excessive calorie intake जतबेला हमें करूछु, excessive insulin release होछि हम शरीर में. Excessive insulin जो release होछि, that insulin really is the fat accumulating hormone. से कार्बोहाइड्रेट को भी फैट को कन्वर्ट कर दबो, एवं फैट टा जमा हे आपनकर ओबेसिटी हेबो ओबेसिटी जोटी मोटापा हेबो तापरे आपनकर डायबिटीज हेबो हाइपरटेंशन हेबो कैंसर so many multiple disease have a chance thai jodi apan you are taking hypercaloric diet. So the fundamental is obesity is a surplus of energy in the cells that turns to insulin resistance. More obesity mu jemti apanku bujheithili fat cells basic create hebo and that fat cells causes insulin resistance mane kon insulin thile bi sharir re kamo kari paribo nahi insulin बॉडी शरीर थाए टाइप 2 डायबिटीज मानकर इंसुलिन थाए किंतु सेटा काम करि पारे नाही दैट लीड्स टू योर डायबिटीज सुगर इनएफिशिएंटली यूज हेबो and that is the cause of diabetes. So a condition where glucose uptake is impaired, this impairment in glucose uptake leads to higher glucose in the blood, that is diabetes. Okay, maximum 80 to 90% of diabetes patient अछंती तांकर मुख्य कारण होची excessive fat due to insulin resistance that leads to impaired glucose uptake. Okay, so next है insulin resistance the primary cause प्रथम कारण होची type 2 diabetes रो insulin resistance. Okay, and it occurs before the type 2 diabetes start itself. Diabetes हेबा आगरु बहुत दिन आगरु आपनकर insulin resistance थिला सेति पई आपनकर obesity हला obesity जोगु ही आपनकर multiple fat accumulation hela visceral fat ame joda कहउछु cell bhitor accumulate he jibo that leads to your insulin resistance and that the primary cause of type 2 diabetes. Okay, so while over 90% of diabetic patients fall in this category type 2 mo jemti कहउतली but other variants of diabetes अछि ता ऊपर त हमें विशेष चर्चा करिबानी जेमति type 1 diabetes हला जोथरे कि insulin पूरा deficient थिबो बहुत कम थिबो then LADA type diabetes hela MODY hela that is different matter but 90% of diabetes patients with a maximum cause is type 2 diabetes. Obesity leads to diabetes, leads to hypertension, leads to your multiple problems and lifestyle problems. Okay, so second current ebe standard recommendations for weight loss kon chalchi ebe amaro current treatment apon jodi dekhibe ame koju calorie restrictions karo that's good. Small frequent meals नियो small frequent मन बारंबार कम कम मील नियो बोली कहउछु which is wrong things actually in diabetes आमे देखिबा बारंबार small meals mean this is wrong thing कोन पय wrong that is proved by Dr. JV Dikshit and because if we are taking आमे जदी multiple times छोटो छोटो मील लेबा प्रति थरो इंसुलिन रिलीज होतबो and प्रति थरो इंसुलिन रिलीज हे कि इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस करथे सेति पय से multiple small frequent meals जोटा दिनको 5 आमे तीन थर रु स्टार्ट करके 5 थर लेखा खाउछु ताकू से कमे की 2 थर लेखा कर देचंती तांगर बेसिक फंडा हो सेटा 2 टाइम्स खाओ सफिशिएंट खाओ दैट मींस विथ ऑल पेट पूरा खाओ से कहि से जो तांकर प्रिंसिपल जोटा रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज एंड जोटा हमें करिया पे कहितो एंटी हाइपरग्लाइसेमिक ड्रग्स डेली खाया पे जो स्पेशलिस्ट माने कहितंती भी दैट इज करंट रिकमेंडेशन जोटा चाली छी ओके सो problems with current guidelines kon hochi nobody was cured of diabetes once diabetes means lifelong diabetes. Okay, so ebe jaha bhi apon dekhantu india sara current guideline कहउची कि तमे डायबिटीज रो केबे भलो ही परिबोनी जदी डायबिटीज अछि माने लाइफलॉन्ग मेडिसिन्स खाइबो. ओके, तापर इनिशियली वन मेडिसिन चलिबो तापर आपन को ग्रेजुअली लैंड अप विथ टू मेडिसिन्स 3 मेडिसिन्स देन फाइनली इंसुलिन with a lot of complications also जति ophthalmic complication आपण देखि परिबेन ठीक से आपनकर your kidney complications kidney failure हबो so many complications are there leg amputations आपनकर जति एबे टू प्रिवेंट न करिवे leg amputation माने कोन गोडो कटा हबो जेतु गोडोटा गैंग्रीन हे जाय ब्लड फ्लो ठीक से हे परिबोनी ठीक अछि so many complications are there and liver fatty liver हे कि liver carcinoma हबार चांस थाए liver कामो करि परिनी. Okay, like this so many complications are there if we are not preventing the root cause if we are not treating the root cause हमें यदि root cause को treatment न करिबा and only superficially हमें ताको bandage जदि करदबा only symptoms को treatment करिबा एई सब असुविधा रे हमें पड़िया. Okay, so problems with this guideline also the main culprit of diabetes is hyperinsulinemia जेंति कहली insulin resistance. Okay, ताकू हमें न प्रिवेंट करकी रूट कॉज को हमें ओनली सिम्पटम्स को जो दबेई दोछु खाली दबेई देकी आपन को ड्रग्स देकी that should not be done because that is not the root cause. Okay, you are not drug deficient, you are deficient of your lifestyle you are deficient of your diet, you are deficient of your proper education. Okay, so questions from educated patient, very बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया educated patient पचारती, doctor despite of multiple medications why my blood sugar uncontrolled, बहुत गुड़े medicines नेला पर भी मो sugar काहे की control होनी, ठीक अछि. That means you are treating wrong medications or wrong way, wrong principle. Okay, doctor, my sugar is in normal range, control अछि, but where I am feeling so much weakness, मते energetic काहे लागुनी, मते energetic feeling होनी, I am feeling so much weakness. So what is the cause, doctor? So these are the typical questions asked from the patient, because maximum we in the current guideline we are not treating the root cause. Root cause is your lifestyle changes. It is a 100% lifestyle disorder. If we change the lifestyle, including diet, exercise, your fasting, and your all the knowledge, education of what is the root cause, then you can 100% remove your diabetes from your body, obesity from your body. And then second is in how many diabetes have you stopped medicines? Maximum. Also, you can also go and ask to a diabetes specialist, or those who are so-called diabetes specialist. You can go and ask upon पचारिबे तर आपण केते जण पेशेंट रो मेडिसिन्स बंद कलेनी. You hear. So you can't hear the right answer there. You just hear the yes, no medicines can be stopped in diabetes, and if you are diabetes, you have to take lifelong medications. You have to take one after the second, then four, like this, you know. So upon a answer that is very the wrong things really what is going on now also. So you people have to gain the knowledge. You need education, you don't need medication, you don't need hospitalization. So education, what is the real cause and how to remove that, this is the main fundamental principles behind reversal of diabetes. So what really Dr. Dikshit advice, really Dr. Dikshit sir kon कहउछन्ती, eat twice 2 major meals in a day when you really feel hungry. Okay, अपन जितले रियली हंग्री फील करछन्ती मैक्सिमम हंगर कंडीशन रे सेही टाइम रे ही दुईटा टाइम अपन दिन रे चूज करथु. आइदर अपन चूज करिवे 9 am and 6 pm, और अपन चूज करिवे 1 pm और 9 pm, like this. So अपन two times चूज करंतु of the day when you feel maximum hungry. Okay, so according to your work, जदि जने प्रोफेशनल लोक हितबे, जदि जने ऑफिस जाउतबे, से हिसाब रे से माने ताकर दुईटा टाइम चूज करंतु. आ मझिरे से माने अवॉइड करंतु तांकर जो मिल्क टी हला, खीर चा हला, कि तांकर सम कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स हला, एगुडा सब अवॉइड करंतु. किंतु आपण कोन खाइ परिबे, जदि मझिरे चाहिबे यू कैन ड्रिंक इन बिटवीन, जदि चाहिबे हाइपो इंसुलिन और नॉन इंसुलिन सिक्रेटिंग फूड, जोटा कि इंसुलिन सर्च को बढ़ेइबोनी किंबा फाइबर थिबो. दैट मीन्स जदि मझिरे आपण चाहिबे सलाड खाइ परिबे, स्प्राउट्स खाइ परिबे, आपण कोकोनट वाटर जेमति कि पइड पानी, लेमन वाटर लेंबू पानी, ग्रीन टी विथ नेचुरल स्वीटनर स्टीविया जोटा हमें कहउछु. सो आपण को मु रिपीटेडली कहउछि स्टीविया नेचुरल स्वीटनर आपण ऑर्डर करंतु, ऑनलाइन रे भी मिलुछि. एंड दैट्स इंसुलिन सर्च से करिवोनी, माने डायबिटीज को बढ़ेइबोनी. ठीक अछि. So you can eat that, but not major meals in between that. Then also he advised another thing is that brisk walk at least 4.5 km in 45 minutes at least 5 days in a week. ठीक अछि. So walking से walk करते जोटा हमें exercise form रे कहउछु, brisk walk माने not slow walk, you have to you walk moderately, or brisk walking जो से चली जिबार अछि, not slow walking like a cat. Okay, so you have to walk brisk walking at least 4.5 km in 45 minutes. Okay, so that up to a sweating level मु जेमति कहितली, up to a sweating level हला परे आपण देखिबे 4.5 km आपण टारगेट रखंतु for 45 minutes as per Dr. Dikshit's advice. This is a major advice he advised, because आपण जदि मल्टीपल टाइम खाउतबे कोन प्रॉब्लम होछि, मल्टीपल टाइम खाइबारु आपनकर मल्टीपल टाइम इंसुलिन सिक्रेशंस हबो, एवं मल्टीपल टाइम जदि इंसुलिन सिक्रेशंस हबो दैट लीड्स टू इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस. सेथि पई से कहउचंती कि you have to eat 2 major meals, in between you can take the foods which which does not causes insulin secretion. Okay, that is salad nahi paribe, sprouts nahi paribe, coconut water, lemon nahi paribe, green tea, black tea nahi paribe. Okay, and brisk walking at least 4.5 km in 45 minutes. This is the real advice. Okay, कोन पाई कहले से ऑलरेडी कहि सारी छी to because the root cause is insulin resistance to reverse that. Actually हम यदि compare करिबा हमर जो 16:18 hour of intermittent fasting थिला ता सहित एटा मैच करूची ठीक अछि because we already discussed that in our intermittent fasting classes. 16:18 hour of fasting you can reverse the diabetes very easily. It's not a problem for lifetime again. So his thousand of success story reveals his fact also. You can see in his book he can explain all these facts in his book diabetes reversals. So he has written this book of Jagannath Dikshit, diabetes reversal. You can see where he has reversed so many cases already. I have this book and I have ordered his book and diabetes reversal book, A New Hope, effortless weight management, and a lot of research articles Dr. Jagannath Dikshit has. He's from my department also, and you can see his a lot of success stories. You can search in the YouTube also, diabetes reversal or by Dr. J.V. Dikshit, Jagannath Bhai Dikshit. Okay, so like Rajiv Dikshit, he is a good man, and so you can also say his brother. Okay. And contraindication को माने ये diet नहीं परिवेनी माने जो those who need excessive diet, that means like pregnant and lactating women, age less than 18 years, growing age, thin build and type 1 diabetes, this diet should not be for him because they need hypercaloric diet. Okay, so pregnant woman, lactating mother, age less than 18 years, thin build and type 1 diabetes should avoid this diet because this is for the reversal. Then we come to our this dabai lene se pehle socho जोटा कि मागोर भी कोई सारी चीज because if you are advised for some medications for long time, you are addicted to that medicines. Okay, like a addiction, and you have to remove that addiction like drug addictions. अगर भी मैं कहि आछि drug cannot heal you, drug cannot reverse you. Okay, life power lessons by drug poison if you taken for long term. Okay, not for short term, that is helpful in some emergency situations, but not for long term. Practice of medicine is the violence of life also. If you are only medicine, if you are only drug related, you are not stressing on the lifestyle, that you are violent, you are doing violence of the life. Okay, drugs being poisons aggravate ill health. So if you are only focused on drug, not on lifestyle changes, not on diet changes, that means you are aggravating the ill health. Medicos do not give hygienic advice to patients. Sometimes we have no time, we doctors have also no time to give you advice in the so much of line of patients in a hospital. अपन देखिथिबे लंबा लाइन भितरे आपन को गोटे 2 मिनिट टाइम मिलिबो only to write the medicines for you. We don't have time to explain you all the diet plan. आपन को बुझिया पय हम पाखे समय न थाए. So you must have to learn this education to have a better life, because healthy life is the first happiness in your human life. Drugs are ruinous to health. Evils of drug medication, indulgence, which causes only suppression of the disease, and later on you will find a side effects related to that drugs also, and so many other side effects like this. So any before taking any medicines, you have to think twice whether if I can manage it without medicines by natural process like home treatment, then you can do that. And for this registrations of our health camp also starting on, that is on 20th, or just 3 days left, and only you can contact Ajit Kumar Panda, our manager here, and you can also have any doubts, you can ask me in WhatsApp. And jemti mu agaru kohitili aro class re bi you should first send this image or this image to other people who are suffering from obesity, who are suffering from diabetes. You should send this image screenshot to all the people who are suffering from this disease, And if you want to reverse from this condition to this normal conditions, you need to join our camp or our diabetes course, so that you will be easily reversed without any medicines, without any so much of harmful drugs also, with proper educations. You don't need hospitalization also. And that is our main funda of today's diabetes reversal. Okay, so and again ଆମର ଆରୋଗ୍ୟ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛୁ କଳିଙ୍ଗ ଆଶ୍ରମରେ ଯୋଉଟା ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି, camp date is 20th November to 27th November. For details of registrations, because only I think only 5 seats left, because already 15 people have registered. So those who haven't registered yet, I request personally to go and register with this calling to this number. And so then only 5 seats are left now, and you will be get benefit of all these knowledges of what you need to build your healthy life. Okay, and so today's homework I will give. Today's first work is include Dr. Dikshit diet with your whole food plant based diet plan for faster result. If you want faster result, those who are stopping insulin, okay, those who are stopped insulin, they have to stop their medications also. So you need this diet plan also. Okay, have you tested blood sugar level or HbA1c? If you haven't tested it, आपण जदि फास्टिंग ब्लड सुगर पीपीबीएस किंबा आपण HbA1c टेस्ट करनांती आउथरे टेस्ट करंतु एवं काइंडली आपणकर रिपोर्ट मते पठांतु, बिकॉज वी नीड दैट, वी नीड, बिकॉज एनी स्टेप्स रे आपणकर जदि किछि प्रॉब्लम होछि डायबिटीज रिवर्सल रो, वी कैन हेल्प, वी विल गाइड यू, वी ऑलवेज अलोंग विथ यू. सो आमे एथिपय आपन कहूछु कि आपन जदि शीघ्र चाहउचंती रिवर्सल, यू हैव टू टेस्ट दैट टू नो वेदर आई हैव रिवर्स और नॉट. यू हैव टू डू दिस टेस्ट. आ उटे अछि ओजीटीटी टेस्ट, जोटा कि ओरल ग्लूकोज टॉलरेंस टेस्ट बोली आमे कहू. सेथरे आपन फर्स्ट फास्टिंग सकाळू जिबे, आपन को फास्टिंग ब्लड सुगर दे देले, तापरे ओजीटीटी माने आपन को 75 ग्राम्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज दिया हबो खाया पई. आफ्टर 2 आवर तापरे आपनकर 2 आवर गुटे टेस्ट करा हबो. सो सेथरे आमे जानि परिबा आपनकर सुगर केते रहउची. इफ दैट सुगर इज लेस देन योर 140 जमती पीपीबीएस आमे कहउछु, देन यू आर नॉर्मल. सो लेस देन 200. ओके, सो यू हैव टू डू दैट टेस्ट आल्सो. बट बेसिक होची HbA1c एंड फास्टिंग ब्लड सुगर एंड RBS PPBS अपन करंतु. So have you joined the diabetes reversal camp? If haven't joined, then you can join, because this is a one-time opportunity for you to learn so much of basic knowledge of reversal of not only diabetes. You can reverse also your obesity, also your arthritis, your hypertension, your so many other lifestyle related issues like hypothyroidism and other issues. Okay, and only I think 5 seats are left. Last 5 seats, only 3 days left, so you can join it first, otherwise you may not get a chance to attend that also. So so today is for this. So finally, this is my favorite slide. Choice is choice is your own choice. This is you, either you want unhealthy or you want healthy lifestyles. You can send this link also, this photos also to the patients or your friends, those who want that. And thank you so much for today's short class, but it is a more I think yeah, just a minute. Breakthrough, no participants. Yeah, allow participants. Yeah, okay, just a minute, I have to do that. Yeah, so I hope anybody has any doubt on Dr. Dikshit's diet plan or today's class, you can ask me and raise their hand so that I can visible to all of you. Just a minute, I am yeah. So anybody has any doubts on today's sessions, they can ask me by raising their hands so that Gautam Sahu apan pacharantu
sir mu kichi कहबी
kontu Tirnath babu
sir जो two major meals कहले
yes
सर तारे जो ब्रेकफास्ट हमर सकाळ जो हमटा फ्रूट्स और स्पोर्ट्स खाउछु सेटा गोटे मील जीवो की
yes 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 तो आपण कोन करिवे सिंपल
तापर सेकंड मील
नहीं नहीं आपण कोन करिवे सिंपल सकाळ जो खाउछन ताको एक्सटेंड कर देबे आपण जदी 8 टा रु खाउछन आपण ताको 11 टा कर दियंतु ठीक अछि तो कोन हबो
सर
आपण जो सकाळ रो मील टा शिफ्टेड हे जिवो सो दैट आपण आउ 2 घंटा टाइम मिले आपण को बॉडी को रिवर्स करिया पई ठीक अछि and at that time आपण जदी चाहिबे फास्टिंग रे आपण जेंति कहितली कि you can take green tea or you can take herbal tea or you can take lemon water or coconut water आपण सेटा नै परि सेतिर किछ असुविधा नै किंतु जिंस हला आपण फर्स्ट मील टा नेले सपोज 11 टा बेले ठीक अछि सेकंड मील टा जोटा कि हमरो एनडीएस बोली गुटे सिस्टम अछि नेचुरल डाइट न्यू डाइट सिस्टम आपण जदी एनडीएस ओनली मार देबे न्यू डाइट सिस्टम तार प्रिंसिपल भी कहूची कि लंघनम परमम औषधम जोटा तो फास्टिंग आवर को से बढ़े दोची मॉर्निंग रे तो बॉडी क्लींजिंग करिया पे बॉडी को टाइम मिल जाउची ठीक अछि सेकंड होची आपण जे 11 टा रे खाइले आपनकर फर्स्ट मेजर मील जोटा कहले विथ फ्रूट्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स सेकंड लास्ट को आपण कोन रखिबे मझरे मझरे यू कैन टेक सम स्प्राउट्स टेक सम सलाड्स दैट इज नॉट नॉन इंसुलिजेनिक फूड देन आपण लास्ट को 6 pm जेंति कहितली 16 to 8 hour fasting principle आपण को फॉलो अप हिजिबो ऑटोमेटिकली so that आपण को जो ड्रग्स भी एबे चली त्रिनाथ बाबू you can reduce that drug आपण को मेडिसिन्स भी एबे कम कम जिवो your obesity also reduced everything also reduced okay so insulin तो already बंद करलेनी so if you want medicines to reverse after some days you have to follow this diet
आज मोर बेस्ट टिके बढ़ी जाई छथरे
okay नै कमी जिवो you just follow this
163
okay 133 okay so जिंसो हला आपण टिके
लास्ट वीक रे 12 रे
या so जिंसो हला कोन कि
12 तारिख रे मोर थिला 136
so best हबो आपण कोन करिवे आपनकर जो कहउतली HbA1c रिपोर्ट दैट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रिलायबल रिपोर्ट्स रे कंसिस्टेंट रिपोर्ट आपण देखेबो किंदा आपण जो शुगर लेवल कहउछु आपण 5टा अंगुठी रे करियो अलग अलग आसीबो बुझि परले सो रिलायबल न हो सेटा ठीक अछि तो मेन जिंस हम खाली जानिया पय चाहू करंट स्टेटस जानिया पय तो मेन होची आपनकर HbA1c रिपोर्ट ता गुटे OGTT जो टेस्ट कहली गुटे ओरल ग्लूकोज टॉलरेंस टेस्ट कहले से माने कर देबे एंड आपन भी सेटा करिया कथा मो हिसाब रे so you can get so much of clear from that test also
काली सर पीपीएस ता मु से OGTT करबी ना ये फ्रूट्स खाइ
OGTT आपन कहबे OGTT करी ओरल ग्लूकोज टॉलरेंस टेस्ट फास्टिंग रे जिबे फास्टिंग ब्लड टेस्ट कर देले सेकंड रे 75 ग्राम्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज खाइले
सर आज फास्टिंग ता करछि
हां
पीपीएस ता आज करनी काली की से OGTT ता करबी
हाँ बस बस OGTT करो तो OGTT is a good test that also help to really know how much it is reversed okay better than PPBS OGTT is better than PPBS ठीक अछि अपन परफेक्ट टाइम रे ता कर परछथि सो नेक्स्ट गोवर्धन साहू पचारंतु
से ग्लूकोज ता नबार केते समय पर करी सर 2 आवर्स
2 घंटा
ग्लूकोज नबार से 2 आवर्स पर ही करबी
हां 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 गोवर्धन बाबू कोंदु
सर से स्टीविया टा कोठी मिलिबो
स्टीविया अपन Amazon रे मिली जिवो ऑनलाइन नेट सर्च करंतु नेचुरल स्वीटनेस स्टीविया खाली मार देबे Amazon रे यू विल गेट दैट प्रोडक्ट अपन जदी पाई पर नांती मते अपन WhatsApp कर देबे मु अपन लिंक पठे देबे अपन किने देबे ठीक अछि
आ सर सुन दबु जलरा एम जो राती रे खाउतली छाडिली सकाल बेला रे जो खाउतली छाडिली हजारे मेट्रोफॉर्मिंग दुईटा आउ केवल ट्राइवी लीटर फट्टू रो हाले खाउची सकाले
एबे टेस्टिंग कंडीशन कोन अछि बॉडी कोन रिपोर्ट टेस्ट करू ना कोन नांती
हां हां फास्टिंग 95 अछि पीपीबीएस 112 अछि
हां ताले अपन टाइम से अपन मेडिसिन कमांतु अपन मेडिसिन खाइ आरो हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया हे जिवो असुविधा हो ठीक अछि
हां आउ HbA1c 5.4
5.4 you can reduce it आपण बहुत शीघ्र कमै परियो असुविधा किछ नै आपण कर बुझि पले आपण जो जलरा एम 1000 होजन ताको हाफ कर दु संगे संगे मु जेंति कहितली इनिशियली आपण जदी डाइट प्लान फॉलो करले हाफ कर देंतु दैट मींस
जलरा हम खाउ नै सर
हां एबे कोन खाउ जन देले
ट्राइभोग्लिटर फॉर 2 रो अधा खाउची खाली
अधा ताकू फिर हाफ करंतु ठीक अछि तापर देन स्टॉप इट
सर
ठीक अछि एंड ग्रेजुएट आपण बंद हे जो किछि दरकार नै आपण बहुत शीघ्र बोल रिवर्स कर जिवे नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट ओके
किंतु टिके मु बहुत माने वेट लॉस टिके होई छै सर
वेट लॉस तो हबो ना वेट बैलेंसिंग डाइट इट आवर डाइट प्लान हो वेट बैलेंसिंग करिवो आपण को जो एक्सेस विसरल फैट थिबो जो सेल मानन को जमा है कि फैट ता थिबो ताकू से रिमूव कर दबो से फैट को रिमूव करिया फल इंसुलिन ता ठीक से काम करिवो एंड यू आपण शीघ्र रिवर्स करि परिबे आपण को डायबिटीज को ठीक अछि ओके नेक्स्ट अजित बाबू आपनकर हमरो कोन केते दूर गला स्टेटस कटी कोनतु हमरो कैंप रो एंड हाउ मेनी ऑल दी हाउ मच केते डिस्टेंस गला कोनतु यस
सर नमस्ते
नमस्ते अजित कोन
sir already 15 members are joined
वाओ
and
कांग्रेचुलेशन
more
you muted you unmute yourself you muted अजित बाबू आपण म्यूट कर देछन आपण अनम्यूट करन हेलो अजित बाबू हां एबे कोन
90% work is completed.
Okay, very good.
Arrangement, all arrangements, sir.
Okay, very good.
So, sir, आपण केबे आछथि? केबे आछथि सर आपण?
19th रे जाउछि इवनिंग रे. I am in the station रे अछि बरमपुर रे अछि एबे मोर हॉस्टल रे अछि. 19th evening रे I will go we are the 4 doctors चार जन डॉक्टर हमें जीवु मु डॉक्टर असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मुक्तिकांत असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर संजय सर and also our one of the PG resident हमें जाई कि आउथरे ताको रिव्यू करदा किछि दिन I will tell that हमें 18th evening रे जाउछु ठीक है सॉरी 18th 19th
okay sir
so that any how jo some printout thila some banners and all these things will do some meeting for that and ame taku arrange karba so those who haven't reversed yet it is a golden chance for them to join and reverse their diabetes only 5 seats left so you should join it first otherwise our next batch will be start on 27 online class that is so you should not fall behind that and you should reverse as early as possible you will get so much of knowledge from that camp we assure you from this because we have so many recipes we have zero well diet recipe
first camp is 50% discount
yes obviously 50% the next is the obviously it will already jone online course koriki ame to only 500 korchu na they are taking only 30,000 charges dr Pramod Tripathi like so many people they are charging so much of only 3 hours they are charging for 500 rupees ठीक अछि so we are doing very minimal charge because we need your we need to educate you because you are our own family people that's why अपन बहुत कम चार्ज भी रखाई छी अपन पई इट्स very discounted offer and so much discount is given here so you should we should not you should blindly join this program ମୁଁ ତ request କରିବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ you should not miss that life changing sessions because you have got so much of knowledge and so much of idea because आपण जदी once शिक्षित होई गले आपण जदी once जानि गले आपण जो हॉस्पिटल पछरे बारंबार दौड़ुछन आ दौड़ियो पड़िबो ना मुख्य जिंस सेटा जो लाइन लगौछंती आपण जो माने हॉस्पिटल जाई जंती से माने जानथिबे दुखटा कोन एक्चुअली जो माने जाई नथिबे बोते तांकर एते नॉलेज नथिबो सो दोज हु have gone repeated time hospitalization राति रे सेठी केमती सोई चंती बेड तले केमती सोई पड़ले सेठी केमती मशा कामुथिबे सेठी केमती गोटे रिपोर्ट all these things are harassing जिंस उडा सोचे so if you have this education on health knowledge आपण जदी health knowledge पाइथिबे आपण निजे तो भलो हेबे that's obviously true but आपण निज फैमिली मेंबर को भी भलो करि परिबे आपण निज जो पड़ोसी को निजर रिलेटिव्स को भलो करि परिबे and so many people will get benefit from this so requesting again you to join this program and because this is a contact sessions where we are giving hands-on training like thing okay and you can ask directly any questions so that you will be more clarified on so much of your any doubt if you have okay So thank you each of all, everyone. Anyone have to talk any special things, they can raise their hands and ask so that then I will go to stop my classes. And new people jo mane aschanti, I think Vishwanath Das. Vishwanath Das babu, hello. Vishwanath Das, can you Vishwanath babu, hello.
Yes sir, namaste sir.
नमस्ते विश्वनाथ, आपन को कंडीशन कोन कोहंतु टिके.
Sir, I send him a new link, first time link.
Okay,
Vishwanath
first
Das.
time link. Okay, that's fair.
He is from Calcutta. He has a client. He has a client to send to the camp.
Yes. So send some other important links also, other YouTube links also to him. Okay, so that he
Yes,
can
yes.
see, watch the video some, and if he gain some knowledge, and if you want some extra knowledge to real practical knowledge kona hochi, then he can join and refer them also. Okay, very nice. Thank you so much for joining the sessions, and so many people are there also. Lakshman Babu and all these things. So thank you so much, Ajit Babu, and again requesting anyone, those who haven't joined, they can particularly request to your relatives or your nearby people who have this problem, and they suffering and they are taking medicines even 20 years or 25 years and suffering from so many complications. So you can also refer that kind of patients to us after calling to Ajit, and so that they will get the benefit of our sessions. And if anybody has any personal doubt, they can WhatsApp me, they can send their reports to me also personally, so that I can mu sei hisab re apan manku advice dei paribi, and any point re apanko jo doubt hochi we can clear that. And thank you so much for today's sessions, and I am stopping the today's video. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for the great meeting, and hope you will very much early healing. And thank you so much for the today's session.